Guys, Nano Banana 2, aka Gemini 3.1 Flash, is officially rolling out. And trust me on this, it is not just faster than the Nano Banana Pro model, it is actually better. Today, I am putting this new model through the absolute ringer with some hardcore use cases. The results you're about to see are going to blow your mind. Let's not waste any time, let's jump straight into the screen. First things first, how do you use it? Just go into the Gemini app, select the fast model right here, and then click on the Create Image option. I've already pulled together some sample prompts to test this out. Let's start with this one, a crystal clear glass sculpture of a phoenix rising from flames. The light refracts perfectly through the glass. Pure black background, cinematic lighting. I just paste that prompt here, hit generate, and that's it. Man, this one is literally 2 to 3 times faster than Nano Banana Pro, and look at the quality. The way the light refracts through the glass is incredibly impressive. Alright, let's do some real tests. For test number 1, I want to check how good Nano Banana 2 is at atmospheric depth and complex narrative. I'm copying this massive prompt, a wide-angle, hyper-realistic shot inside a massive, forgotten subterranean library. Thousands of glowing bioluminescent fungi wrap around ancient stone pillars, casting blue light on endless shelves of leather-bound books. In the midground, a lone archivist wearing a thermal utility jacket and a headlamp is scaling a rusted brass ladder. A slight mist hangs in the air, catching the light beams. Focus on the depth of the cavern and the complex lighting interaction between the fungus and the headlamp. Here, the fast model generated 2 images and both look incredibly well detailed. In the meantime, I also tested the Nano Banana Pro model with the exact same prompt. It took way too long and the depth is completely missing. That's the massive difference you're going to see with this new model. By the way, these are not 4K. The 4K version is paid and you might need API charges to use it, but still, man, Gemini 2K is also really good. Let's test this next prompt, the Refraction and Caustics test. A close-up macro photo of a perfectly spherical drop of water suspended in zero gravity. Inside the droplet is a tiny, fully preserved miniature coral reef ecosystem with microscopic, colorful fish. And here are both results. This time, both models completely nailed the test. So you guys decide in the comments who wins this one. Moving on to the next test, we are going to use this complex prompt to see what kind of result we get. Prompt: an extreme close-up of a vintage steampunk wristwatch mechanism. The focus must be sharp on the complex interaction of tiny brass gears, ruby bearings, and blued steel springs. Includes subtle wear and tear and a single perfectly clear oil droplet sitting on a jewel. First, the fast model generated this image within seconds, and the detailing is just wow. On the other hand, Nano Banana Pro took its usual sweet time. The image was good, but nowhere near as sharp as Nano Banana 2. But now, get ready for this. I've never seen a Flash model handle complex typography this well. For anyone building an audience, Nano Banana 2 is a total cheat code. I gave it a super messy whiteboard sketch of a YouTube thumbnail. Look at the final result. Perfect character resemblance, dramatic cinematic lighting, and read the text. Nano Banana 2 is crazy in bold, uppercase sans serif. It didn't just flip the prompt, it solved the entire creative puzzle. Guys, the Pro model is officially dead. This is the only AI I'm using for creative assets now. For the remaining tests, I am strictly using the fast model. In my next test, I wanted to create a weird comic image of Elon Musk with a monster poster vibe. I uploaded a video reference and gave it the details, and the result you see on screen is incredibly impressive. It gives off the exact spoof vibe I wanted. For the next use case, I dropped in this product design prompt. Prompt: a sleek 3D isometric render of a futuristic modular synthesizer named Beatmash 2. Integrated into the interface must be crystal clear, perfectly legible multi-line labels, Oscillator 1, Filter Freak, Resonance, and NanoLink. And again, it created this hypothetical future product looking like a professional render. The text placement following the curve of the knobs is just perfect. On top of all this, you also get the option to select the Gemini image style. I wanted to see what happens with this prompt. An artistic 1970s style psychedelic rock poster. The band name, The Electric Banana, must be rendered in large, stylized bubble letters. Look at this. It created this crazy artistic poster where the text is perfectly integrated into the melting pattern, yet totally readable. Alright, those were the image generation use cases. Now, let's test image to image and see what results we get. I uploaded this messy whiteboard workflow sketch and gave it this prompt. Convert the input messy whiteboard sketch into a clean, professional, isometric digital diagram. Keep the text structure, concept generation, to feasibility analysis, to prototype build. And boom, it gave me this result in seconds. Extremely well made and strictly followed the prompt. In the next test, I grabbed a diagram of the human digestive system from Pinterest, uploaded it, and used this prompt. Now, convert this diagram into detailed explanatory infographic with strong visuals. Hit generate, and holy smokes, this result is visually incredible. The infographic quality is great. It did make a few minor mistakes and hallucinations, which can be easily fixed if you paste detailed text, but overall, it's super impressive. I also tried converting a black and white image into color. The image looks great, but it did hallucinate a bit again. Just keep in mind that the results here heavily depend on exactly how you write your prompt. Those were the results from my own testing, but now let me show you what some creators on X are doing so you can see the true potential of this generative AI. Ethan Mollick used Banana 2 to generate this extremely overcomplicated and totally wacky bread toasting protocol. Honestly, this infographic is incredibly complex. There are some mistakes, but the fact that AI even attempted and nailed the vibe is so impressive. A creator named Blendy generated this newspaper cutout. The representation accuracy here is insane. Here is my absolute favorite, and honestly, it's a little scary. A guy uploaded the backside of a handwritten note and gave the prompt, "Show me a photo of the next," meaning the other side. And guess what? Nano Banana 2 literally showed the front side with almost 100% accuracy. I am just blown away by it. Another guy even generated uncensored images of celebrities, and it was actually very impressive. Another user uploaded a simple rough sketch and created a full landing page design from it. That's what inspired me to upload my messy sketch and tell Nano Banana 2 to generate my thumbnail. It did exactly what I needed. You can literally design thumbnails for your channel. The accuracy is crazy. Finally, look at this official example, an infographic generated by Nano Banana 2. What I really love here is the absolute consistency of that green t-shirt character across the entire image. Guys, I highly recommend you follow my X account because I am regularly posting AI-related use cases, news, and tutorials over there. If you want to stay updated in the AI space, it is a must follow. And of course, for more detailed testing like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I am trying my best to be more regular here. Also, don't forget to hype this video up by clicking that hype button. It massively motivates me to make more content for you guys.